Remember that you are what you do. Your actions and your decisions are what make you who you are. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So remember, you are what you do, what actions you take, how you think, what decisions you make. You are what you do. You can think of something, plan something all you want. Let's say you've always wanted to be successful, you're trying to work on yourself so you can be the best version of yourself, or you're trying to start a business, whatever it may be. You are what you do. You are your actions, not what you think, not how much you plan your business proposal, not how much you plan to lose weight. No matter how many workout plans you do, you create, you project, no matter how big your vision board is, you are what you do. All that matters at the end of the day is what action you've taken. What action have you taken towards achieving your goals? What action have you taken towards achieving every single thing on your vision board? What action have you taken towards you losing weight? It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to the gym straight away, but have you implemented small changes? Have you started even with eating healthy or drinking more water, or simply just waking up earlier than usual and going for a walk? You are what you do. Actions are what changes you. Actions are the reason why you won't be in the same place in 5 years time. No matter what action you take, as long as you're moving, you're taking one step forward, one step at a time. It doesn't mean that everything that you do in life will be great. It doesn't mean that every business idea you have will flourish and will be very successful. Most of them are guaranteed to fail, but as long as you take action and you're learning throughout the journey, you're learning who you are as you progress. If you're trying to become a better you're trying to be a well-rounded person mentally, physically and emotionally, you have to take action. So you can't just be sad all your life. Let's say you've been heartbroken. You can't just sit there crying all day every day and hoping for something to change, overthinking the situation, thinking, oh, maybe I should get up and go meet my friends, maybe I should do something with my time. You are what you do. The best way to get over a heartbreak is allowing for time, but that involves doing something within that space of time. Are you keeping yourself busy? What are you doing? Are you getting out the house? Are you meeting friends? Are you doing what makes you happy? The key word is doing. What are you doing about it? Not what have you thought, not what have you planned. You can make as many plans as you want, but if you don't take action, they will never flourish. They won't really get anywhere. So remember, you are what you do, not what you say, not how you plan things, not what you wish for. What have you done? That's what defines who you are. What decisions do you make? What decisions do you take? Do you take opportunity? Do you grab every single opportunity you get, or do you overthink and think, okay, another one will come around, or there's a reason why I'm not taking this opportunity? Or it's not about what you think you should have done, is what did you do in a tough situation. Let's say you've got to make a decision that will break somebody's heart. It's about how you've said it, how you've gone about it, not what you think you should have done. Because if you were that great of a person that you think you are, you would have done the right thing. So remember, life is about taking actions and making the right decisions. What decisions do you make at time of conflict? And remember that you are defined by what you do, how you treat others, what you've done for other people, how far and beyond you've gone to take care of yourself and those within you, not what you say to people. So bear that in mind when you're trying to become the best version of yourself. You're trying to be successful, whatever that looks like to you. It's all about what you do, what action you take, not who you think you should be or what you think should happen. It's about doing. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.